The Council of Mexico celebrated today the Plan of Guadalupe, initiated on the 26th of March, 1913. The Plan of Guadalupe was a document drafted on March 23, 1913 by Venustiano Carranza. The Council of Mexico celebrated today the Plan of Guadalupe, initiated on the 26th of March, 1913. The Plan of Guadalupe was a document drafted on March 23, 1913 by Venustiano Carranza in response to the overthrow and execution of Francisco Madero, then President of Mexico. It was formally proclaimed 3 days later on March 26th in Carranza's hacienda. Madero's overthrow was the work of Victoriano Huerta, who was Madero's top general and had sided with the opposition forces during the Mexican Revolution. The document accused Huerta of restoring dictatorship and committing treason by executing the constitutional leader of Mexico. There were 7 parts of his plan, which purported to remove any claim of legitimacy Huerta's government might have had, reinstated government powers into officials loyal to Madero, and announced a call for elections once peace had been restored to the country. This document was the immediate answer of the constitutionalist forces against the military coup d'etat against the regime, which from its inception confronted uprisings from civilian and military groups discontent with its way of governing, seeking the restoration of the pro-Ferrista regime. For the Plan of Guadalupe, Venustiano Carranza would say in 1917 was the war cry that the most select of the Mexican youth propelled to the 4 corners of the nation against the triumphant inequity, and that cry was no more than the vibrant and sonorous expression of national conscience, an expression that reassumed the firm intention, the deliberate will of the Mexican people of not consenting any more to the Praetorianism that would again seize the destinies of the nation. Under such virtue, with the Plan of Guadalupe was perfectly planted the issue of legality against the usurpation of the law, against the disturbance of the free institutions, against the military dictatorship. Such important events for Mexico have begun to be celebrated in Albania since the 27th of February 2013, when the Honorary Consulate of Mexico in Tirana was inaugurated and the Honorary Consul of Mexico in Albania, Mr. Uli Androci, was installed.